Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server with all the necessary roles and all the necessary channels in few seconds. Okay, let's get started. First of all, go to Google and type Discord style and go to the first link, which is discord.style. In here, you need to search for a template. I'm gonna search for gaming, and as you can see, there are some different type of template you can choose. For right now, I'm choosing the first one. So if you click on it, you can see all the details. It will about the template. These are the channels, and these are the roles, etc. So what you need to do is just click on use this template, and it will open up your Discord application. In here, you need to give a name to your server. I'm gonna type tech theory, and you can upload the image if you want. So right now I'm not gonna do it, but you can do it and upload a logo or something in here so other people can see very easily with your profile picture. Right now, for testing purposes, I'm not gonna do that. And these are the template channels, and these are the roles and permissions of this template. I'm gonna click create now. And as you can see, all the channels are created. And if you go to server settings and go to roles, you can see all the roles has been created. So you just need to add this template and install a server, create a server with this template, and all the channels and roles are there. So this is a really simple way to create a Discord server, and I hope this is helpful for you to create a new server in just few seconds. You can try out other template as well. Go back. There are a lot of templates you can choose from, different server templates. Try it out and see whether it's worth. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you next time with another video. As always, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.